Hi, you guys. We're ready to start a new week in Bio11A. I wanted to talk a little bit about last week. So I had some great assignments. You really completed those super well. There was the glucose molecule, and you were really creative with those. I enjoyed looking at those, and you shared them. That was great. There was the bee study also that I want to do. I want to make a comment on. Um, the fungicide, what happens is that fungi need to be part of the food of the larvae, which are the developing bees. And they're bumblebees. They're different from honeybees. And so once you use a fungicide, you actually destroy the fungi in that food that needs to be, a fungi that needs to be. It's part of the nutrition of those bees. So they don't harm the adult at all. What they do harm is the developing larva that has its food modified because of this fungicide. So just to make that clear. We're coming into cells this week, and so just keep up the great work. It's going really well, and I can't think of anything else that I want to touch upon for you guys. So doing well, keep in touch, and let me know if you need anything. Okay, thanks.